kalong kaman ha kajingya lenti shaka election MLA ha Assam kabon salong ha ka khandai triya yong arhajar arpun riu kala nang kham khlo chu ha ka ba Himanta Biswa Sarma menteri rangba ba ukertong BJP na Jalukbari constituency ulapen pau ka jing Bitar bat kentat ya ka Jingkynnoh ka Congress persya ya ka lok jung u ba ka don passport bat ki jing don jing Shabar ke BJP kalau ong bagi Jingkynnoh ke Kongres lingba unong elam jongka upawan kera ke datang ke jing tau nang bat berngem ban yat dakaan. Upawan kera ulakenno bakalok Himanta Biswa Sarma ke Riniki Buyan Sharma ke don ki pasport na United Arab Emirates, Antigua and Barbuda bat Egypt. Susu new nong elam ke Kongres ulakam baka Riniki ke don Artli ki Jakarta ha Dubai yaki ba klampen pau ha ka affidavit election jong u Himanta bat ke Jingkynnoh baka don jingasno bat ke company ha Wyoming, United States of America. Habakan tat ya ke Jingkynnoh u Himanta Biswa Sarma ulaong baka datang ke jingtmu yalam bakla ya ki pajba ke Assam bat ben rap baki kot ki sla basai de ke Kongres ki don ya ki jing bakla bat ki bam ya hap ha ai room. Ulaong bah po sau pupra kenta mu bat ke lok jong u kin ujor persya da kemuka dema criminal but civil defamation yau khera.
Yesterday, Pawan Khera and Gaurav Gogoi did 2 press conferences, one in Delhi, one in Guwahati. Normally, when you raise a certain issue before the public with fraud documents, it attracts 420 and 468 of all IPC. Of course, there is a correspondent provision in new BNS. When there is a crux, when you use this allegation with fabricated documents to influence a result or outcome of an election, then it attracts higher penal provision and the punishment for that is life imprisonment. Yesterday my wife has filed an FIR and I am sure that police will register the case in appropriate section of law and take necessary action. But why I have came before you today? Because during our research we found the entire material of the press conference which has taken place yesterday was supplied from a Pakistani social media group. In last 10 days, Pakistan channel has done at least 11 talk shows regarding election of Assam, which never happened earlier. And in every talk show, the final conclusion is that Congress should win. Now the Pakistani link to the yesterday's press conference has also now become very, very apparent. We are going to show you through a presentation, and I am sure that this thing will be taken into consideration by the law enforcement agency.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.